In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add form in Freshsales. To begin, log in to your Freshsales account and look at the left navigation bar. You are going to open Admin Settings. This is the gear icon, and it is where you manage account-wide setup options. Click it to enter the admin area. Once you are in Admin Settings, find the section labeled Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. This area controls how people and companies are captured and organized inside Freshsales. Within that section, click Web Forms. Web forms are used when you want visitors on your website to submit their details and have Freshsales automatically create or update records for you. On the Web Forms page, click the Add Web Form button. This starts the form builder, where you can design what the form will ask for and how it behaves. Next, customize your fields. Click Add Contact Fields, then choose the fields you want to collect, such as a name and email address. Add only what you truly need, since shorter forms are usually easier for visitors to complete. For the most important fields, mark them as required. This ensures you receive the key details you need and prevents incomplete submissions from being sent through. After your fields are set, configure what happens after someone submits the form. You will see options like Display Custom Message or Redirect URL. Use the Custom Message option if you want to show a simple confirmation on the same page, such as letting the visitor know the form was received. Use the Redirect option if you prefer to send them to a specific page, like a thank you page on your website. Choose the option that best matches your site experience. When everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, click Get Code Snippet. This will provide the HTML or JavaScript snippet that Freshsales generates for your form. Copy that code carefully. Finally, add the form to your site by pasting the snippet into your website's HTML body or footer, depending on how your site is built. After publishing your changes, test the form on your live page to confirm it displays properly and submits successfully. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.